In a laundry room setting, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, dictates specific requirements for electrical receptacles, particularly those in close proximity to water sources such as sinks. The primary objective of these regulations is to enhance electrical safety and minimize the risk of electrical shock. A ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, receptacle plays a crucial role in achieving this safety goal. GFCI receptacles are designed to detect ground faults, which occur when electrical current deviates from its intended path and flows through an unintended conductor, such as a person. When a ground fault is detected, the GFCI receptacle quickly interrupts the flow of electricity, typically within a fraction of a second, thereby preventing or mitigating the severity of an electrical shock. The NEC mandates the installation of GFCI receptacles in various locations where the risk of electrical shock is elevated, including bathrooms, kitchens, outdoor areas, and, pertinent to this discussion, laundry rooms. Specifically, any electrical outlet located within 6 feet of a sink or other water source in a laundry room must be protected by a GFCI receptacle. This requirement aims to safeguard individuals from potential electrical hazards that may arise due to the presence of water and the use of electrical appliances in the laundry room environment. Now, addressing the question of whether a 15-amp circuit is permissible for a GFCI receptacle adjacent to a sink basin in a laundry room, the answer is affirmative. A 15-amp circuit is indeed acceptable for powering a GFCI receptacle in this scenario. The rationale behind this lies in the fundamental function of a GFCI receptacle, which is to detect and interrupt ground faults rather than to provide overcurrent protection. A GFCI receptacle is engineered to trip or interrupt the circuit when it detects a current leakage as low as 5 milliamps. This level of sensitivity ensures that the GFCI receptacle will respond rapidly to even minor ground faults, thereby minimizing the risk of electrical shock. It is important to distinguish between a GFCI receptacle and a circuit breaker. While both devices serve to protect against electrical hazards, they operate on different principles. A circuit breaker is designed to protect the electrical circuit from overcurrent conditions such as short circuits or overloads. When the current in a circuit exceeds the rated capacity of the circuit breaker, the breaker trips, interrupting the flow of electricity and preventing damage to the wiring or connected appliances. In contrast, a GFCI receptacle is specifically designed to detect ground faults and protect individuals from electrical shock. It does not provide overcurrent protection in the same way as a circuit breaker. Therefore, the amperage rating of the circuit feeding a GFCI receptacle is not directly related to its ability to protect against ground faults. As long as the circuit is properly protected by a circuit breaker of the appropriate size, typically 15 amps for a 15-amp circuit, the GFCI receptacle will function as intended to detect and interrupt ground faults. In summary, the NEC requires GFCI protection for receptacles within 6 feet of a sink in a laundry room to protect against electrical shock. A 15-amp circuit is sufficient for powering a GFCI receptacle in this location, as the GFCI receptacle is designed to trip at a low current leakage level to prevent electrical shock. The circuit must also have overcurrent protection by a 15-amp circuit breaker.